Hello everyone, you are welcome. How to solve this nice explanation in algebra math problem? That is 2 raised to power a plus 8 raised to power a is equal to 10. So here we will try to find this unknown a. Here first of all we will try to make both the bases in the left hand side the same. So for that we will change this a to its exponential form. So this will become 2 raised to power a plus we can write this 8 as 2 raised to power 3 whole raised to power a is equal to 10. And next here in this one term we will use an exponential math property to change the position of these two powers. So here we will use this exponential math property. A raised to power m whole raised to power n can also be written as a raised to power m times n. So using this exponential property in this one term, it will become, here we will interchange the position of these two powers. So this will become 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power a whole cube is equal to 10. Now in the left hand side these two bases are same. So here we will make a supposition. So let us suppose this 2 raised to power a is equal to x. So next we will replace these two bases 2 raised to power a with x. So this will become x plus x cube, and here we move this into the left hand side, so it will become negative 10 is equal to 0. Now let us rearrange these terms. So this will become x cube plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So here we will try to find one of its linear factor using a testing method. So in testing method here we substitute first x is equal to 1. Now 1 cube is 1 plus 1 minus 10, which is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 10 is minus 8, which is not is equal to 0. So it means that 1 is not the root of this cubic equation. Or now here we will substitute x is equal to 2. So this will become 2 cube is 8 plus 2 minus 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So it means that x minus 2 is the root and linear factor of this cubic equation. So since x minus 2 is the linear factor of this cubic equation, so here we will try to another factor of this cubic equation whose product with this linear equation is 0. So this factor will be a quadratic equation. Now we will find this quadratic equation using the synthetic division. So here we will also know about the synthetic division. That what is synthetic division? Now in synthetic division we will divide this cubic equation by this linear factor. So we will do it here. In synthetic division we will draw two lines like this, and here we will write this one factor 2, and here we will write the coefficients of this cubic equation. The coefficient of x cube is 1. The coefficient of x square that is not present here is 0. The coefficient of x is 1, and the constant term is minus 10. Now the method is like this. You will move this one to this position. Now we will multiply 2 with 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Now 2 times 5 is 10. Now 10 minus 10 is 0. So here these are the coefficients of the required quadratic equation. So we will rewrite this equation here, x minus 2, and here we will make a quadratic equation from these coefficients. So that will be x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here the product of these two expression is 0. So here either this expression will be 0 or this one will be 0. So from here we will get two equations, x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now here first we will solve this one equation. So here we will move this 2 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 2. Now here our target is not to find the value of x. Here we need to find the value of a. So part A we will go back to our supposition, that is x is equal to 2 raised to power a. So here we will replace x with 2 raised to power a. So this will become x is equal to 2 raised to power a is equal to 2. Now the power of this 2 is 1. Now the bases are same, so we will compare the powers with each other. Now the powers are a is equal to 1, which is our first and real root. Now here we will try to solve this quadratic equation. To solve this quadratic equation, first we will check out that the roots of this quadratic equation are real or imaginary. So for that we will use the discriminant formula, which is b square minus 4ac. Here b is 2 and a is 1 and c is 5. So this will become 2 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 5. So this will become 2 square is 4 minus 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 4 is 20. Now here 4 minus 20 is minus 16, which is a negative value and less than 0. Now since this value is 0, means the value of discriminant is 0. So the roots of this quadratic equation are imaginary and complex. So here we will try to reject that solutions, because if we find the roots of this quadratic equation, so that roots will be like this: x is equal to 1 plus minus 2 iota. Now here if we replace this x with its actual value, that is 2 raised to power a is equal to 1 plus minus 2 iota. So here to find the value of a in these two equations, where one value is positive and one value is negative, so that will make our video too much lengthy. So that's why we will try to reject the complex solutions and the complex roots of this quadratic equation. So here we have only one real solution, that is a is equal to 1. Now in last, if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.